Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to convert Pi coin to USDT on Bitget, swap $Pi for $USDT. First, open the Bitget app on your device and sign up for an account. I have already signed up. On the home page, you will see more options. Tap on it. Under More Services, select the Convert option. You will then be taken to the Convert page, where you will see the From section. Click on the drop-down menu, search for Pi, and select it. Next, in the To section, choose USDT, since we want to convert Pi coin to USDT. Once everything is set, enter the amount of Pi coin you want to convert, and then tap Convert. After a few seconds, your Pi coin will be successfully converted to USDT on Bitget. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.